In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to unarchive a highlight on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, navigate to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Navigate to the option archive, then click on this drop down and set it to stories archive. This is where you're gonna find all of your archived story. Now find the highlight that you previously archived. After you locate it, click on three dots. Now different options will appear. In order to recover or unarchive the highlight, all you have to do is click on the option Reach Your Archive Story. Now you can upload it again as your story. You can remove this date, click on your story and upload it. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now you are able to add this story in your highlights. So this way you can easily unarchive Instagram highlight. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.